So here's the plan. We're going to take our, well, it's Canada Day today, July 1st, 2008. We're going to take our Canada Day sign. It says, honk if you're Canadian, please. We're going to take it and we're going to head out onto the middle of the street by the perimeter. And we're going to see how many people will honk. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Okay, we have 52 honks, which is one more than our last year. So we're going to try to get more honks and get more honks. Yeah.
Yeah, we're at almost the perimeter. Woo!
We have received 101 honks. Yeah, the 100th honk was from our dear friend Hillary.
And her mom.
Well, mostly from her mom because her mom was driving. Yeah. And the 76th honk was from a semi.
Yeah, it was... honk! Yeah, and now we should start heading home and, yeah, party. Woo! We'll talk to you later.
So we walked back from the perimeter area
To my house.
to Annie's house. Yes.
Woo!
So that's where we are.
105.
Yeah, we got 105 honks. There was 5 more on the way.
No, 4
more on the way back from our
Adventure.
location.
Yeah.
Of honks.
Ness.
Yes.
All city.
So now we're gonna have a party.
We need to start setting up